What is going on, guys? Another day in the office. How's it going? Today we took one trade, another trade on the same stock as yesterday, AESE. Quick move. It was like 10 minutes or something like that, 5 to 10 minute trade. And yeah, super simple, super solid. Let's get into that recap. All right, so we traded this AESE today again. So initially, we're watching it. We ultimately ended up missing this first move over the VWAP 9 and 20. We weren't there. Well, we were there, but we weren't there to be on the stock at that time when that move happened, so we kind of missed out on that. So it made its move. It came back down. We know it has strength. Even if we go back into yesterday when we traded it, we entered all the way down here for this ABCD pattern at 165 and exited in the 80s here. As you can see, we wanted to re-enter on the pullback, but we're done trading. If we waited for that pullback that we're talking about, we would have had an entry right here at 173 and then had a move. You could see this just shot up. This just exploded up. Right, so this had a lot of momentum in it. So if you capitalized on that, congratulations on it. But we traded this again today, as we know it had some little volume there, and so we entered as this pullback comes down here under the view of 920, and to get that move above it, we entered here at 211 and then stopped out around 217, 218 levels for just a quick move. We definitely know it doesn't have as much momentum as yesterday. As you see, it came all the way back down, so that's definitely a big sign to watch out for. So we noticed that, but we can get those quick moves on it, right? So that's what we did today. Really nothing else was really going. Missed out on this one as well. The same move as the AESE, whatever. But yeah, same entry would have been over the view up 9 and 20 to break right here, and we would have got a move there. But then, nothing else was really moving. We'll have to see later what happens. But, I'm done for today. Hopefully, you guys had a good trading day, capitalize on the opportunities that were available today, and hopefully, you guys have a good one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below, as well as, write me a message, hit me up in my line if you have any concerns or anything, or if you just want to chat. See you guys again.